This is DeadSilent120 here. I'm just going to give you a little review of the UTG L96 Sniper rifle. I got this one off of Here and Air for about $179, which that gave me a scope as well, which will be shown later in the video, and some other things as well. So, hope you enjoy it, and if you're planning on getting this gun, hope this makes your mind up. Okay, so we've gone over the price and everything. Now let's see what comes in the box. You have your actual barrel of the gun, which is made of all metal, from here to here, the trigger, everywhere. And the stock, which is made of ABS plastic, and you've got a couple metal thingies here to attach your sling. It also comes with a tri-rail system that attaches onto the front of the gun, which will be shown later once it's assembled. Also 2 clips, one of them is in the receiver of the stock. Also comes with a bipod, which is pretty useful. It will telescope. And last but not least, a speed loader and an Allen wrench to put the thing together with. Alright, let's put it together. Now that you've got your gun assembled, now all you need to do is put a scope on it. I got my scope from PyramidAir.com along with my order. It was shipped to me free of charge, and it came with the gun. So, unfortunately, I do not have the packaging. I've thrown that away. I'm not intending to make a review. But it's really easy to put on. All you gotta do is just line it up with your rail, turn a couple knobs, you know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, that kind of thing. It's got red and blue reticle illumination, as well as a focus ring, and windage and elevation adjustments. Your reticle illumination dial is here. So if you wanted to, say, have just a little bit of green light come in, you could turn it to 1, and that would be, the numbers would be facing you. I don't have the camera in the right angle, but I'm not going to fool with it right now. Then you could amp it up to 2, 3, 4, and 5. You know, and then for red, all you gotta do is go to red 1, red 2, red 3, red 4, and red 5. And then to turn it off, you go to one of the white letters, either R or G, standing for red or green. Pretty simple. I'm pretty impressed with this scope. It didn't cost me a thing, and it's very nice. It's 4x40, I believe, is what it said, and that is at 35 yards. And it's a mil-dot scope, which means that you have little dots, you know, in line with the reticle, and that can help you measure distances, provided you're given the right formula, which the scope does give you a formula to calculate range. I'm not going to go into that right now. I'm not that much of a mathematician. So, now what do? Load the clips. Okay, now that you've got your gun assembled and scope put on, you'll need to load the clip up. This is just for demonstration purposes only. I'm not going to load the clip up right now. I can't shoot at the moment because the wind's too high. But all you gotta do basically is just push this little plastic guard down, which will expose the receiving end of the clip. Pop the speed lower open, pour in some BBs here, and stick this little nub here that they give with you. I taped it on there because it would not stay, but it will come in two pieces, and this little part will not be on there. But all you gotta do is stick that little nub on here and just push the plunger down, and it has to be vertical because if it doesn't, it won't feed right. And it will feed about 4 BBs every time you push the plunger. And then, once you get done with that, you can stick it in your gun. Now, take a loaded clip and stick it where the hole is, basically. You've got a little thing that says front, and it's got an arrow pointing towards the front of the gun. That is your reference, that you'll want to put the front of that arrow in line with the barrel. So, you stick it in there, and you have to make it, has to go absolutely flush with the stock itself. Now to take it back out, there's a little lever right here. I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but it's right here. You push that towards the stock of the gun, and it will pop out. And, you know, it's pretty easy to lose those these clips if you're not watching what you're doing. So I always, when I'm in a fight, I always just stick my hand right here and push it with my index finger. It'll pop right out. It's pretty simple. Adjusting the hop up is also easy too. You've got a little sticker here that says normal and hop. You probably won't be able to see it because of the distance of the camera, but it's right under here between the stock and the lever here to take your clip off. There will be a little tiny screw in there, an Allen screw. They will give you an Allen wrench to do that with. I misplaced mine, so I cannot show you how that works. And it's not really something I can show you. You just have to do it yourself. It's, you know, it's too dark inside that little hole to show you how it works. But anyway, that adjusts your hop up, which is the backspin that's put on the BB and the barrel. Well, the wind's calmed down a little bit, so hopefully I'll be able to do a little bit of a firing report. Now for the fun part.